Come test drive the 2017 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, leather seats, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.